Well, this is a unique project. It's in several stages. As a matter of fact, it started out with just this particular roof, which we're on the upper level, 90,000 square feet, 300 and some thousand square feet on the lower level.
This was a 30-year-old EPDM roof. Still in fairly good condition, but it was weathering after that amount of time. So we felt like a good coating system could buy them another 10 or 15 years, and that sounded good to them and to their expenses.
When I approached him initially, and I gave him the option of silicone or RoofShield I.S, and he decided on the RoofShield I.S. It's proven to be what we said, a labor saver.
With this roof, I had expected to get about 20,000 feet a day. So I set aside a week to do this 90,000 feet, which is a really aggressive schedule. This new sprayer that we're trying out seems to be able to meet that and exceed it actually. You have specialized equipment, you have specialized product, and it enables us to offer something that other coating companies can't. If you had to coat this 3 times to get the mill thickness that we've put down, that alone would price them right out of the job. We feel like it's going to give us a real competitive edge on these type commercial roofs.
For your large properties like this one, I don't see how anything can compete with it.
This product, went on really good. As you can see from the roof, it's going to cool it down. There were days when you could hardly stand on the roof because of the heat, the black rubber. They've commented on how it's made it cooler inside during the hotter days. We really do like the fact that it has a dry to the touch in about 15-20 minutes. If it rains on it, it won't hurt it. It allows us to get all our material in one pass, so that really has been a game changer.
Sky Management is very pleased with seeing how GAF has been behind the product from the beginning through today. I believe if you got 2 contractors bidding on the same property, say a roof this size, and one is bidding the GAF RoofShield I.S, and the other one is bidding another acrylic, GAF RoofShield I.S will win out every time.